Hey everyone, 3D Painter here. Don't have my microphone right now, but we don't really need it. So, SW3D Studios really killed it on this Obi Wan Kenobi rides Boga. I'm finally finished printing it. So, this is one of Boga's legs. If that tells you how big she is. Got a long way to go prepping her up. This is Obi Wan Kenobi's saddle. There are 104 parts that I counted. This is part of her tail. Her head's down there somewhere. But anyways, Boga's done printing. Obi Wan Kenobi is done printing. All the satellites are done printing. And I've got just a ton of prep to do before I can start getting to this model. But I just thought I'd share with you guys how absolutely insane SW3D did on Obi Wan Rides Boga. This is just going to be an absolutely epic build and paint for me. I can't wait to really start getting into this and getting it done. This is going to be nuts. Definitely the largest print I've ever done. 104 pieces that I counted. 12 bottles of resin. Yeah, 12. I think 12 bottles of resin. And because I only have one printer, it took me about 2.5 weeks to print all the parts in between my day job and everything. And if you want to get a look at the scale of this thing, that's my hand on the base. It's bonkers. Anyways, stay tuned. We'll be working on this as soon as possible. I really want to get to it. Anyways, happy 3D printing, happy painting, and we'll see you guys soon. Cheers.